welcome back. You're watching Witness. The federal budget was announced just a few days ago, but the public is already reeling from its impact as food prices have increased quite drastically. The utility stores have released their new list of prices for food items, and the cost of 96 food items have been jacked up between 5 to 10 rupees each, even though the utility stores have been given a 4 billion rupee subsidy in the federal budget. The situation in the wholesale market is even worse. Pulses and lentils, a mainstay of the average Pakistani diet, have increased from 10 rupees to 25 rupees per kilogram. The cost of a 50 kilogram bag of sugar has increased by 30 rupees, while a 10 kilo bag of ghee or clarified butter has risen by nearly 150 rupees. This budget was not supposed to fuel inflation, especially for food. So what corrective measures is the government going to take? Well, joining me tonight is Pakistan People's Party's Federal Minister for Population Welfare, Dr. Firdaus Ashiq Awan. Dr. Awan, welcome to the program. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Dr. Awan, of course, already a walkout in the budget session from the PMLN and the MQM on different issues. Of course, MQM walking out on an increase in electricity tariffs for Karachi. PMLN walking out over the price hike, and the price hike is here. What corrective measures can the government take?
Yeah, Katrina, I'm glad that you have given me a chance to speak on this public issue. You know that no doubt that the Parliament has full right to address the miseries of the people of Pakistan, and both the parties, they had communicated their point of view by protesting from the Parliament. But it's a very interesting thing that, to control the price hike and to maintain those price values up to the mark, it's the provincial government's duty. And the mainstream political parties, both they are the coalition partners in different provinces. And I'm sure that the budget you have pointed out, the price hike, it was not implemented yet. It's just debatable in the House.
That's the interesting part. The utility stores themselves have increased prices. We're not even talking about wholesale. 96 food items have been increased in the utility stores. What's the government doing about it?
Yeah, you mentioned about the subsidy of the utility stores and public items, the consumers' main utilities. But I was surprised to hear that in spite of all those measures, utility store is a federal government utility. And if we are not able to control the price hike there at utility store, it is really something very astonishing. And we have to focus that...
so what's the government going to do, Dr. Awan?
Yep, you know that, Katrina, that the overall market, the price market, unluckily when there was a devolution plan, the ministerial powers, they were withdrawn by DCOs, and they have been given to the NAZMs, and now there is no NAZM system, district government system, it's static. And the powers, they are hanging in the air. It's not with the DCOs either. And nobody is acting as a magistrate in the country.
Dr. Awan, what is the government going to do? Because people are going to suffer, and the GST, 1% increase in GST hasn't officially been imposed yet. If we are already facing a price hike.
Real concern that something that is under debate, and you have not even approved those tax increase and 1% GST. And people, they had implemented as their own. And now this is the duty of the government, especially the provincial governments. They have to keep a strict eye on these pseudo-manipulators and people who are really adding misery.
Your party is in, of course, coalitions in all the provinces, of course, taking the lead role in Sindh. And will you please tell us that what is your party then going to do to bring this whole situation under control? Because this is going to go completely haywire once a GST is imposed.
Katrina, you know that we being the political force from the masses, and we are the representative of the poor people. This Pakistan People's Party is having their mainstream strength at grassroots level. But unluckily, nowadays, the main victim of this price hike is our poor voters. Now, our leadership, they had to come forward, and I'm sure that being the part of the government, I'll immediately bring this in the notice of my leadership that please hold a meeting with the chief ministers and Prime Minister of Pakistan. He's already holding a meeting of all the chief ministers post 18th Amendment scenario. They want to discuss that what's the role of provincial governments after NFT award. And
Dr.
how
Awan, tell me
we
something.
can strengthen them for the implementation of these federal government policies at provincial level.